Hey guys, super excited to show you our Rollbag R785 automatic bagger and really how easy it is to set up when you're printing at your pack stations. You know, I know a lot of you use little desktop Zebra printers that may be a network printer or maybe a USB printer, and with this integrated Sato printer to it, it's really quite simple to set that up. People ask us about integration all the time. It's really like setting up a computer on your or a printer on your network, and in fact sometimes it really requires a minimal change. So if your Zebra printer is set up with an Ethernet and network connection, you can actually go right to the Sato printer and set up the same IP address, put it in ZPL mode. It has a ZPL emulation, and boom, it'll print the exact same. It'll print that shipping label the exact same way. Now, some of you may also be doing it from a USB standpoint. So you have a USB connection to your printer, from your printer to your computer, and that can be a little trickier, but you know, there's ways that we can make that simple as well. Don't even need to install new drivers at all. So in this case, I have a ZP450 right here. It's a desktop or a tabletop Zebra printer. I have it set up. I've connected a print server. So a print server basically lets me emulate an Ethernet connection. So the printer via USB is connected to this little StarTAC. It's like a $50 Amazon print server. And then I've got that Ethernet connection. I can either go to a switch, or you know, if you're not using the Ethernet port on your computer, you can directly connect it. So you know, let me just go ahead and print that out. Right, so I've got this package label. You're familiar with these. You know, you gotta peel them back a bit. It can be rather tricky. Peel that back, and great for shipping applications. But you know, it goes onto the bag, right? I'm using a flat poly mailer. I put the label on, I open it up, I tape it shut, and I do that. Now, what's cool is that I'm going to disconnect that. So I've disconnected it, and I'm going to connect it right to our Rollbag R785. Plugged it back in there right to the USB port. So, and I'm going to do that. I'm just going to reprint that label. Boom! Right to the bagger. How simple is that? Let's say I'm shipping apparel or other goods. Put it in. Makes a bag right there. Let's do that one more time. Put it right in there. Super simple way of speeding up your shipping process of items in poly mailers.